Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide birthday in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide birthday in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dots and you will land on this interface, and you will be again required to tap on the settings option over here just above my notes. Tap on settings, and over here again on this interface you'll be required to tap on the privacy option, which is just below the account, guys. Tap on privacy, and over here, guys, you can see the option where it says share your birth date, which is the sixth one from the top, and it also says allow friends to be notified on your birthday. And at the right side of that there's a tick mark available for us. Tap on that tick mark, and when the empty box appears at the right side of the share your birth date, your birthday on Viber will be hidden. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to hide your birthday in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.